Hi everyone. In this session, I am going to discuss about the grouping concepts of K-map. Concepts of grouping of K-map. So here, a group of two adjacent cells of a K-map forms a pair. A group of two adjacent cells of K-map forms a pair. Two adjacent cells is a pair. So here I am going to discuss about the grouping of two adjacent ones, that is pair of K-map. Let us take one example. So here this is a three variable K-map. The three variables are A, B and C. And it consists of 8 minterms and each minterm specifies a square in the K-map. So here it consists of 8 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 squares. So here the data is arranged in this K-map is like this. The data is arranged in this three variable K-map is arranged like this. So here it has, in this K-map, it is one pair. It is one pair because the ones are present neighboring to each other. Here it is 1 and the adjacent cell is 1. This is the horizontal grouping. So again, this can be considered as another pair, another group, and this group consists of the combination of two minterms. So these are present vertically. So this is the vertical grouping. And here the leftmost cell of this row consists of 1 and the rightmost cell of the corresponding row consists of 1. As per the rule of K-map, for simplification of Boolean expression, the leftmost cell of the row and the rightmost cell of the corresponding row can be grouped together. Here, one is present in the leftmost cell and one is present in the rightmost cell, and hence they two can be grouped together. So that is one more pair. So this is the pair 1, and this is the pair 2, and the leftmost cell and the rightmost cell of the corresponding row can be grouped together. So this can be considered as pair 3. So here in this K-map it consists of 3 pairs. Pair 1, pair 2, pair 3. This is a horizontal grouping, vertical grouping, and the leftmost cell and the rightmost cell can be grouped together. So here, how can we simplify this K-map? How can we simplify the Boolean expression by using the K-map? Means, let us take the pair 1. So here, the pair 1 having two minterms, combination of two minterms. The two minterms are A bar, B, C, A bar, B, C bar. So the pair 1, which is grouped horizontally, is a combination of two minterms A bar, B, C, A bar, B, C bar. Here A bar, B, C plus A bar, B, C bar. The pair 1 is a combination of A bar, B, C and A bar, B, C bar. A bar B C bar. So here, while observing these two minterms, the two variables are common here. A bar B is common, A bar B is common. While observing the two minterms, it is very important. While observing these two minterms, the two variables are common, and one variable, see here it is C bar. One variable is different. One is normal and the another one is its complement. Because all this arrangement of minterms in K-map similar to the Gray code format. So only one variable or one bit of information will change from cell to cell. Only one bit will change from one cell to the another next adjacent cell. So hence here the two variables are common and only one variable is different. One is normal and the another one is its complement. So here this pair one can be grouped with these two minterms A bar B C plus A bar B C bar. So while simplifying this expression, you can get some expression, simplified format. So here we can directly simplify by seeing this pair. So here, what are the common variables? A bar B. So its simplification is simply we can write it as A bar B. So let us take, while taking A bar B is common here, C plus C bar. As per the Boolean laws, as per the Boolean postulates, C plus C bar is equal to 1. C plus C bar is equal to 1. A bar B into 1, that is equal to A bar B. So while simplifying this expression, we can get A bar B. So without doing all this, by remembering the Boolean laws or Boolean postulates, we can directly write the simplified expression. So by taking the common variables which are presenting in this pair. So by taking the common variables in this pair, the common variables can be considered as simplified Boolean expression. So for the pair one, for the combination of two minterms, the simplified expression is A bar B. That is the pair one. Now we are going to take the pair two. So this is the vertical grouping. So these two cells, the cells are arranged vertically. So here, this is the pair 2. In this pair 2, it is a combination of A bar, B bar, C and A, B, C. A, B bar, C. It is a combination of A bar, B bar, C, A, B bar, C. Here, what are the common variables here? B bar, C. B bar, C is the common variables. And A bar, A, they are different. One is normal and the another one is its complement. So here, simply we can write the simplified expression from this pair as B bar C. So B bar C is common in this pair. B bar C variables are common in this pair. So the simplified expression is B bar C. So B bar C, while taking the B bar C as common, A bar plus A, that is equal to B bar C, where A bar plus A is equal to 1 as per the Boolean laws. So without doing this method, in some cases we do not remember the Boolean laws. There is no need to remember the Boolean laws here. We can directly write the simplified expression by using the K-map. So here take the another pair 3, third pair. Here the leftmost cell, it consists of 1 and the rightmost cell consists of 1. So they two can be grouped together. They two can be grouped together as per the rules of the Boolean rules of the K-map, while simplification of the Boolean expression. So here this is the combination of the leftmost cell consists of A, B bar, C bar. A, B bar, C bar plus the rightmost cell is A, B, C bar. A, B, C bar. Here, while observing these two midterms, A, B bar is common. A, B bar is common. C bar, A, B bar, B bar, C bar is common. So, while observing the two midterms A, B bar, C bar, A, B, C bar. Here, what is the common? A, C bar is common. Okay. A, C bar is common. So, directly we can write it as A, C bar. The pair 3, the simplification of the group, the simplification of the Boolean expression by combining the pair 3 cells A, B bar, C bar, A, B, C bar. Here A, C bar is common, B bar and B bar, they are different. So directly we can write it as A, C bar. A, C bar. A, C bar. So this is the method to simplify the Boolean expression by using the K-map. So the two adjacent cells can be grouped. That is called as a pair. So by taking the 3 variable K-map, I am showing one example. By taking the 3 variable K-map. Now we are going to see the second example. So here it consists of, this is the 4 variable K-map, which consists of 2 to the power of 4, that is equal to 16 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 squares. So here the grouping of two adjacent ones. Here in this cell and these two cells are grouped together because they are located nearby, adjacent ones. And this one and this one can be grouped. The topmost cell of the particular column and the bottom cell of the corresponding column can be grouped together as per the rule in the K-map for simplification of Boolean expression. So here it has two pairs. This is the pair 1 and this is the pair 2. There are two pairs. So by taking the pair 1 is the combination of two cells A bar B C D, A B C D. So here BCD is common. Here BCD is common. A and A bar is different. So the simplified expression of this group, of this pair, is BCD. So the pair 1 is BCD. We can directly write it as BCD. A bar B C D plus A B C D. So the B C D is common variables. The three variables are common and only one variable is differ. And in the same way, pair 2. So the pair 2 is the combination of A bar, B bar, C bar, D and plus A, B bar, C bar, D. It is the combination of, this pair 2 is the combination of topmost cell and the bottom cell of the particular column. So here A bar, B bar, C bar, D plus A, B bar, C bar, D. So what are the common terms means? B bar, C bar, D is common. B bar, C bar, D is common in this both cells. So hence we can simplify this expression directly as B bar, C bar, D. B bar, C bar, D. A bar, A is different. A bar, A is different. Only the common term, the common variables is taken as simplified expression. Okay, that is the grouping of two adjacent ones, that is pair, by using the K-map. So in the same way, we are going to see about the quad. We are going to see about the quad. So here, quad means grouping of four adjacent ones. Quad means grouping of four adjacent ones. Grouping of four adjacent ones is quad. So here, in this three variable K map, it consists of 8 squares. So in this row, let us say in this row 1 1 1 1, all ones are located cell by cell, neighboring, located as neighbor. So here in this expression y is equal to, here what is, it is a combination of 4 minterms. Is known as a quad. So the grouping of four adjacent ones is a quad. So here it is the combination of 4 cells. Here what are the 4 cells? A, B bar, C bar plus A, B bar, C plus ABC plus A, BC bar. So here while observing this row, A is common. While observing this row, A is common in all the minterms, in all the squares, in all the cells. A is common in all the squares, in all the cells. Remaining are different. Here B bar, C bar, B bar, C, BC, BC bar. Remaining are different. So the final answer can be taken as A. While simplifying, without doing the simplification of this entire expression, so to simplify this expression, we have to remember all the Boolean laws. So by using that is the advantage of K-map. So without remembering all the Boolean laws or all the Boolean postulates, we can directly express the simplified format, the simplified expression of the expression, Boolean expression. The simplified format of the Boolean expression. It is the combination of these four minterms: A, B bar, C, A, B bar, C, A, B, C, A, B, C bar. So here, while observing this quad, A is common in all the squares. So A can be taken as the simplified format. So let us take. While taking, what is A? AB bar, C bar plus C plus AC, AB, C plus C bar. C plus C bar is 1. As per the Boolean laws, C plus C bar is equal to 1. Hence, AB bar plus AB. So, A is common. B bar plus B. B bar plus P is equal to 1. Hence, it can be written as A. So, without doing all this simplification, by remembering all the laws, Boolean laws, we can directly express the final expression. That is the advantage, that is the use of the K-map. So, in this class, we discussed about the grouping of two adjacent cells, that is pair, and grouping of four adjacent cells, that is quad. That is about the today's session. Okay, thank you.